is well with our classmates who's at home and our classmates who's in class. Let's do our morning calendar. Are y'all ready? Are y'all ready? Yes, okay. The month is September. Let's spell September. September. How many syllables do September have? September. 3. A lot of our classmates are working on counting our syllables. September. Today is the 18th. What's today? 18. Let's write it. And if you have your folder, you're going to circle it. Let's go. 1, 8. Now, if you had your folder, you're going to circle it. That's going to be your apple. And then you're going to circle 1, 8. The year. What is the year? The year is 20, so 2, 0, 2, 0. Do y'all see 2, 0, 2, 0? If you see it, circle it. Miss B is going to go to the next slide. What is the weather? What is the weather by you? Is it stormy? No, Miss B, it's not stormy. Is it stormy here? No, it's not stormy here. Is it sunny? It may be sunny by you, but from the class, it don't look sunny. What about foggy? No, not foggy. It's not foggy. What about windy? Y'all hear that wind? No, we don't hear no wind. Partly sunny. D. Is it partly sunny? Let's circle it. Partly sunny. What season is it? Is it fall? Do y'all see the leaves falling off the tree? No, not yet. Do y'all see snow outside for winter? No, Miss B. Is it spring? No, they still have leaves on the trees. Not spring. So it is what? Summer. Let's circle summer. SUMMER. Circle the picture and have the full green tree. Summer. Next slide. What is that temperature? Is it cold? No. Is it cold? I don't. Not inside. It's hot? What about warm? Nah.
Warm.
What about hot? Is it hot or is it warm? Which one?
Hot.
Hot? All right. Your classmates at school say it's hot. Come on, put that air on so we can get some air. What clothes can we wear? What clothes can we wear? We're all going to have on shirts, right? You have on a shirt? Yeah. You have a shirt? Yeah. Let's circle shirt. What about jackets? Do y'all have on jackets? No. What about sweaters? No. What about shorts? Who have on shorts?
Yes.
Yeah.
You do like shorts.
What about pants?
Pants?
Okay, some pants too.
Pants.
Next slide. Yesterday was, what was yesterday, guys? Yesterday was Thursday. Remember, Thursday is a noun, so it has to be capitalized. So it's going to be THURSDAY. Do y'all see that? Do y'all see THURSDAY? R-S-D-A-Y. If you see it, circle it. Y'all circle it? All right, let's go to the next slide. Today is Friday. It's Friday. Do your Friday dance. Friday. It's Friday. Okay. Friday is spelled capital F, R-I-D-A-Y. Do you see Friday? If you see Friday, let's circle it.
Friday.
F-R-I-D-A-Y. Friday. Next slide. Tomorrow is, yes, Saturday. We get to sleep in late, watch some cartoons. Saturday, capital S, A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, Saturday. Let's circle it. Saturday. Y'all have it? Y'all ready? All right, next slide. How many days some kindergartens been in school? Them kindergartens been in school 21 days. How many days have first through fourth been in school? 27 days. 2, 7. So, 2, 7. Do you have your 2 and your 7? Yes? Okay. Y'all have it? We're going to turn the page. And I'll switch the slide. How many classmates do we have? We have 9 classmates.
9 classmates?
No. We have 11 classmates. I'm sorry. It's 11 of us. 11 classmates.
11 classmates.
And what's today, an even number or what's today an odd number? 18. 18 is an even number.
18.
E, V, E, N. And we're going to circle even. So, guys, if we use our basic 10s, we're going to do 1 set of 10s. And we're going to do 8 of our singles. So let's count. 1, 2, and the boys just left us. So let's keep going. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So then we're going to circle it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So then we're going to circle it. And that's going to give us our 18. Do y'all have that?
Yeah.
All right. So we may get a chance to come back with some more videos. Y'all at home have an awesome day. Don't forget to send pictures of your work. And go ahead and start working on your handwriting where you trace your name. Send pictures of your work. We'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.